Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Robinhood. For this video, we'll be using Bitcoin as an example to show to transfer crypto from Cash App to your Robinhood wallet. First, open the Robinhood app, search for Bitcoin, and go to its detail page. Tap the QR code icon near your balance to view your Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address. You'll need it in a moment. Next, open Cash App. Go to the Bitcoin section. Tap Send Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to transfer. And paste your Robinhood Bitcoin address in the recipient field. Double check the address, then confirm and send the transaction. And that's it. Your Bitcoin will transfer from Cash App to Robinhood after network confirmation. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.